you moves, got you looking like you're alone. You've been working on your life, cause it feels right, you never learn, yeah. I think you know you gotta let it go, you gotta let yourself.
Guys, thank you for joining me tonight. I just wanted to put this video up because I couldn't fit it in my previous video. If you haven't seen it already, go and check it out. I'm just starting off with my Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Next we're going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. Taking my Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation, my Beauty Blender. Next I'm going to go in with my Mirenesse Cosmetics HD Beauty Light CC Concealer, and this is in the shade Too Fair. So grabbing your setting powder, you're just going to set your eyelids. Taking this color right here, we are going to deep contour our face. Again, we're going to use this Simple Glam Girls contour brush. I'm taking my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and sorry about all the trauma that my palette's been going through right now. My girls got into it this past week and it was terrifying for me, and trying to keep the zen. I was hurt. I was really cut when this happened. Taking my unicorn brush, we are going in with Eden right here. Going in with the same brush, we are going in with Musk, which is this brownie tone. It's a beautiful wood tone. Perfect for a crease. So going in with my Sigma E70 brush, this is the medium angled shading brush. I'm going to put that into our So going in with a clean blending brush, we are just going to blend all those layers out just to make sure there's no harsh lines hanging around. I'm using this Morphe one. It's such an old one. We are going to do a cut crease. You've been working on your life cause it feels right, you never learn, yeah. I think you know you gotta let it go, you gotta let yourself taste the world, you've been hurt. Do you wanna be my lover? And now we're just gonna go in with the same brush that we used on the outer V, and we are going to shade it just a little bit with another flat brush. This is another Morphe brush. We're just gonna go in with Nerfetiti, you know, the queen. Going in with my favorite lashes. This is the Slay X Cosmetics by Simple Glam Girls, and this is the style Genesis. Okay, coming back to reality. Now that we have our lashes on, we are going to go down to the lower bottom lashes, and I think that we are going to go in with that same oud color. So I'm going to use the same concealer brush. I wiped off all the concealer as much as I could, and I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Duo Killawatt highlighter. Put it inside the inner V, add some highlight to it. I'm going to go and put that inside the waterline. got the brows on, did a little bit of highlight on their brow bones, and I am going to dust whatever leftover powder that I have underneath my eyes. Just pretending that I'm actually finished doing all of this. Told ya, if you saw the story and thought that this was it. Going in with my KKW Beauty Peach Cream Lip Liner. I don't know why that was like such a tongue twister. I didn't know how to say it. This is in the shade number 3. This is what I used in my KKW Beauty Classic Palette review. If you haven't seen it, you better go and see it right now. I feel like that the same combo from that video looks very much like the one in the pictures. Then I'm just going to go in with the KKW Beauty Peach Cream Lipstick. This is in the shade Peach 1. Just going over that. So guys, this is how I did my glam prep before I moved on to my Melting Rainbow face chart. If you haven't seen the video already, like I said before, go and check it out before I move on to the next video, I suppose. You know the dealio, Earthlings. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I suggest you do so and push that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you on the next one.